Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotirolla and today I am going to do this evening glam makeup look. To see this makeup video, keep watching. So to start with the makeup, I'll use the first step is a moisturizer. For the moisturizer, I am using this. After that, I am going to take this Nykaa Skin Potion, which is 24 karat facial oil, and I'm just going to take around 3 to 4 drops or 5 drops. I am going to take this facial oil and just pack on my skin. I am going to take the primer. The primer is from Nykaa Wrap Me Up Face Primer. It is one of my favorite primer. I'm going to take a little bit of that and I am going to mix because it's my evening look. So I want to mix with my MAC Stove Cream, like give a little shiny. But I want to settle with the primer because I don't want too many steps for the day, but I want to make it quick. So I'm going to, like, how would I show you? We'll see up close now. This small things. If you want, you can add a little bit more of the Stove Cream, but I'm okay with the primer. I am going to use this e.l.f. Sheer. This is like one of a product which I had tried twice or thrice, but it was too dry for my skin and I'm not the person who will use a product which is too dry. I'm just going to like apply all over my eyelid and I'm quickly going to blend this because if this product is dry, I don't want to have some extra lines on my eyelid or it's very bad for my eyelid. So I'm going to take the shade Abstract first, which is this shade. It's very nice white, like it's like a very light color. And I'm just going to place this shade over this eyelid area. So once this green shade is all around the lid, which is this one, and now I'm just going to add a little bit more and more and more because then I am going to take a little different brush like this one. It is a little dense and like very, I'm just trying to make sure there's nothing in the product, like no product in that. I am going to take this Sage now. I'm going to mix with the crease line. It's going to take time, so do it slowly, like at a time, a little bit. So you can see a beautiful shading of this sage color. And now I am going to do a little bit of cleaning in this area with my wet wipes. I'm going to like take this thing out. So this side, which is empty now, I am going to take a little brush, which is like a flat brush, and I am going to layer ivory and mint on each other. First I will take ivory. I'm just going to put this here. I love this shade. I didn't plan for the green thing, but here I am. I am going to add a little bit of mint in the end. Put it together. So once that side is done, I'm going to wipe the excess what it's for, because there is very little fallout, not too much. So I'm going to use this Stella. The shade is orange cream. That is the color shade I always go for my eyes. So I'm going to place it and then blend with the beauty blender. So once this is blend, I am going to take my concealer. So for the concealer, I'm using this eraser, the one which I always go for. I don't know, this would be like, I have seen a lot of people are crazy about this product which I'm using today. I'm just going to pack this at this part under my eye. Do the same here. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty. God, my face look dull or what? Something is going wrong enough. So I'm going to take this Huda Beauty and just put this foundation everywhere. And yeah, that's it. Like, quickly I'm going to blend this. So the concealer is done. I'm feeling a little hot. So I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to like create my contour lines, which you can see from here. So it's your jawline and this side. And I'm going to I'm just going to like contour my nose, even like a very simple basic ones like usual. Just going to make sure everything is in the right direction. And I'm going to use this, the beauty blender which I used earlier. I'm just going to so this is done. Now I am going to add some blush. For the blush, I got this Revolution. The shade name is Blush Reloaded Rose Kiss. And like this. I'm doing this before putting my bronzer. So if I want, I can like mix with the bronzer later. So I'm just settling my blush and all that stuff. Now I'm going to make a wing liner. I'm going to use this Sugar Black Worn You So Double Matte Eyeliner. Now I'm going to take a bronzer which is from the Revolution. The shade name is Take a Vacation. It's a very beautiful shade. I'm going to use the same brush which I use for my blush, and I'm just going to mix with my blush because I don't like that peachy. It becomes too strong sometimes and the eyes are already too much. So I'm just going to, so once this is like all together, for the highlighter I am going to use this Wet n Wild. This is really beautiful, guys. I am going to take the mascara from Maybelline. It's a Crolson. I am very bad with the pronouncing stuff. It is really nice mascara. I am just going to add. So I'm going to use the same brush and take the sage, put under the eye, yeah, just a little bit. I'm not going to bring till the end, I'm just going to keep it till here. I'm just going to line my lips now. L'Oreal, the shade name is Idly. To finish this look, I am going to use Makeup Forever Milk and Fisk. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and